Look at this. There's 1,954 subscribers in my trading group. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're trying to make life-changing money, this is the place to be. Hit that subscribe button for me. Like the video. I'm trying to get a like spike going. 1,000 likes a video. That's the goal. Jumping right into the market. Today, crypto sideways or seemingly so. What I want you guys to really focus on here is the herd thinks that crypto is not moving right now. They're looking at the Coinbase coins, the top 20 coins, the big coins. But the reality is, let's go over to Binance. The freaking altcoins are booming. TFUEL up 125%. I got news on TFUEL today. COS, I gave you guys this setup yesterday, up 63%. Fuel, IOTX, I gave it to you 4 days ago. Poly, PHB, Theta, I gave you this for mainnet launch. Look at these gains, 126%, 62, 40, 39, 28, 23, 21, 20. Listen, if you're sitting in Bitcoin, twiddling your thumbs, you got to adjust to what this market gives you, right? There's a lot of money to be made in these small and micro cap altcoins. This is a Bitcoin 12-hour chart. Not a whole lot's happened. Bitcoin has been getting rejected by the 50 simple moving average on the 12-hour chart. The 21 is going to cross bearish below the 50. Let's look at what happened last time. The 21 crossed below the 50, moved to the downside. Here we are. We're in this rising channel. Now, it's hard to tell exactly which trend line we're looking at and working with, but you're looking at a break below 9,000 means potentially 8,500. And if these both break, you'll see a move to about 6,800. Okay, so you had a previous bearish MACD cross sell signal that would have nailed the top. You would have sold that MACD cross, bearish MACD cross, you would have sold at 9,800. So again, make sure and learn MACD. I've said it probably 100 times, and I will continue to say it until you guys get ridiculously rich. So let's zoom in. Bitcoin, what's happening? 1 hour time frame. So Bitcoin had this double top, broke to the downside. You know, the double top target's 8,600. But what you had here is a bit of a bounce, a relief rally, and then potentially you got another small double top right here, and Bitcoin's getting rejected. The clouds up in this area acting as resistance, and then you've got this double top confirmation line and resistance as well. So smaller time frames, smaller moves, more signals, okay? Bigger time frames, bigger pattern. The higher time frame always wins. Got some news for you guys, altcoin news. So crypto.com MCO says, hey, we're coming to Canada. So you'll be able to get your MCO Visa cards in Canada. Vechain, we're going to soon be announcing a partnership with a STO project in the traditional financial and blockchain sector. Security tokens, hashtag. Stay tuned as WAN bridges and continues to challenge traditional conventions. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news works really well in crypto. So when are they going to release this news? And it's a big partnership and we won't know what it is, and people buy on these ideas. STX, and I've got a chart on this. I'm going to give you this setup. STX, the mainnet launch is June the 30th. So it might take a little bit of time for this setup to play out. However, it does look good. This is just going to be another bullish catalyst for a move to the upside. STX, you know, here's all your targets. You want to buy the breakout of this level. STX is actually moving right now. Whenever I talk to you guys about this, whenever you guys see all the majors crossing the 200 simple moving average, bullish, that's going to be a catalyst for a move. Okay, and then you got this like rounded bottom up here. So, I mean, that's a bullish sign as well. And then you have this breakout of essentially a falling wedge. So there's a lot of good bullish signs for this setup. You know, there's a lot of upside potential here for STX. LTO comes out and they've got a webinar that's going to happen in 5 days where the biggest use case is going to be revealed at this official webinar on May the 29th. IOTX mainnet is launching June 1st. And I talked to you guys about this a couple videos ago. I gave you this setup and I said, hey, do not trade this no matter what you do. Do not listen to anything I talk about as far as trading, especially if you can't understand how to buy a breakout and you don't use stop losses, right? And so IOTX is up considerably. We'll look at that chart. IOTX up 87% since the breakout. Life-changing money. COS, I gave you guys this one yesterday and I said again, don't listen to me. Don't trade it. Don't do anything I talk about. Boom, 70% gains out of COS. I had a lot of thank you emails. People were like, dude, you nailed COS. Sometimes it works out like that. So that was definitely a good one. So XVG, a lot of people would say, Verge, Chris, what are you talking about, Verge? Is Verge even in existence after everything that's happened? Well, they do have a halving, right? That's coming. Looks like around the 4th of July. Verge halving, and I've got a setup on this one as well I'm going to give to you. This is XVG. Again, don't trade this, don't listen to me. Buy the breakout of this level. If you don't know how to buy a breakout, you don't know how to use a stop loss, ignore me. But look at this previous setup. This was from quite a few months ago where XVG broke to the downside. You had this falling wedge, and then here's the target, 60 Satoshis, and I mean it ran up to 57 Satoshis right here. So potentially you made a ton of money. You probably made 50% gains in this previous setup. Here's XVG now. Originally started down here by the breakout, and this is just the new entry idea, so I adjusted it higher. We're already in about 12% profits here, but it's important. Here's the targets. Here's the buy the breakout level, and again, you've got this rounded bottom and possibly a huge, big double bottom. So bullish setup for XVG. Put some news behind it with the halving, and possibly there's some upside with this one. Like these altcoins, like you have to, if you're stuck in a lot of these top 20 coins right now and you're not making any money, you're missing some of the easiest money you can make in this market with these altcoins because they're decimated, they're beaten down. People are ready to start making some money with these altcoins, and that's why these coins are exploding. You want to be in the coins that are exploding. It's that simple. 2 Bitcoin billionaires reveal that they're now holding large amounts of Ethereum. Who's this? Who are these Bitcoin billionaires? The Winklevoss twins. They own Gemini. They own like 1% of all the Bitcoin. Well, apparently, they didn't disclose the exact amount of Ethereum that they hold, but a sizable amount. A couple of years back, we made a concerted effort to buy a lot of Ethereum. We've got people, in the trading group that were buying Ethereum for $1, for $7, for $8, for $10. Obviously, life-changing money. Are we going to see that same type of run-up from Link and Tezos? Potentially, definitely bullish on Link and Tezos long term. Tether Treasury has issued over 2.2 billion USDT on Tron. What do you guys think about this? Tron getting involved in about everything they possibly can. I think it's good. Stable coins are here. People use them. They have a great use case. Tether is now the #3 cryptocurrency by market cap. I think it's smart for Tron to kind of put its name out there and get involved in as many things as they can. However, Tron 4.0 is coming, and Justin Sun lost his very own poll against Ethereum 2.0. The poll was, Tron 4.0 is going to be better than Ethereum 2.0. And of course, Justin Sun has a ton of Tron followers and hypesters behind him. Out of 17,000 votes, Ethereum 2.0 won. And remember, in this space, It's not like, hey, let's look at the code. Let's dive in deep into Tron and see what the dev team's doing, see what the roadmap's like. Let's figure out like Ethereum. When is it coming? When is it happening? Let's dive deep into this, guys. It's, hey, recognize what everybody else thinks and buy what they like, right? Because this is a speculative market, right? If you buy what everybody else wants, they're buying it too. That's going to move the price. So anyway, Tron 4.0 is coming. A lot of people are saying, hey, Justin Sun comes out with Tron 4.0 in a tweet, and people just think that Justin Sun has a blemished reputation at this point. Everybody gives him a hard time. I've made the comment before, like, he's a billionaire for a reason, and it's not always, sometimes the amount of money that you have isn't necessarily a good judge of your character. And so, it's important to remember, all it means is, hey, you know how to make money. Okay, so let's not put people on a pedestal. Whether you like him or you hate him, yeah, he's financially successful. Samsung, huge news. Check this out. Samsung is going to add a crypto-powered streaming service to 75 million devices, and this coin is taking off. And it just happened 5 days ago, and it's up 600%. Samsung, they're pre-installing this crypto-powered streaming service. It's called Theta TV. So you got the mainnet launch, and Theta is exploding, and TFUEL is taking off. So Theta TV allows users to earn and share crypto tokens through their gaming and esports-centered platform. Mainstream adoption, huge move for Theta. So Theta TV is going to allow users to earn tokens dubbed TFUEL. Let's look at TFUEL's chart. Boom, 560% gains. And it just happened 4 days ago. 4 days ago, this took off. You know what else took off with it? The mainnet launch, and Theta took off with it as well, right? And so you find a good chart, and you find some news behind it. That way, you got retail buying on the news. You've got technical analysts buying on the chart. You got bots buying on the chart, and it's like this culmination. You get these huge pumps to the upside. I'm so excited about the future of cryptocurrency because this space gets so much more fun when retail comes into this market and they start buying on this news, and we start getting these huge epic pumps. Life-changing money is coming, and I can see it. Gosh, it's been so amazing over the last week and a half, like trading these altcoins. Tremendous upside. We've been killing it in the trading group. Ethereum-based digital assets skyrocket around 10,000% in just hours. 10,000%. Is this even real? Listen, like, these coins will start pumping for no apparent reason, and people will just buy into them because of the hype. They won't even know what they're buying. They won't even care. They just know, hey, there's these huge green candles, and I'm programmed to buy on greed because I'm an emotional being. I'm a human, and I want to buy on green candles. And they just keep running and running and running. So this is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It's gained 10,000% in just a few hours. The digital currency, and I've talked to you about this idea, it's based on insurance for crypto deposits. It's called OCRV, and it's basically insurance on crypto deposits. So, and again, it went from next to nothing to $3 very quick. So you get, again, these small and micro caps, it doesn't take much to move this market. You talk a couple big buyers into buying these coins and you're holding them. Boom, moon mission. Moon boot ready. Let's go. Massive $431 million Bitcoin whale transfer makes a splash among crypto traders. Splash. Really, it makes everybody nervous trying to figure out what the heck's going on here when, dude, it's exchanges most of the time. Like, people get retail. You want to create a lot of uncertainty in retail, move a bunch of crypto around because there's guys like me talking about it, right? News is talking about it. It's all over Twitter. So again, this is essentially states right here, the receiving wallet, which was created September last year, has a long history of sending and receiving large amounts of crypto, an exchange. Right? The activity suggests it's owned by an exchange or custodian holding large amounts of Bitcoin on behalf of its customers. Not very decentralized, but it's an exchange. Look at Shaq, dude. Shaq wants to know, which altcoins are you currently watching on Binance.com? And this could go any exchange, Kucoin, any smaller exchanges. I want gems. I want the crypto gems from you guys. I want to know all these small and micro caps right now that are exploding or that haven't exploded yet. I want to hear about them in the comment box. Do not shill your coins that are not doing anything. Give me some gems. We're trying to dig deep here. And then everybody can go through the comments and pull up some charts and look at the crypto gems that are about to explode and take off. The entire conversation of this YouTube video is based on the puppet master, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin makes a big move, everything changes. But for right now, altcoin season. Here we are, mini altcoin season. All right, altcoin upcycle. People will freak out. Chris, this is not altcoin season. You know what? I'll take 100% gains, 60% gains, 40, 40, 40, 20, 19, 17. I'll take these gains. Call it what you want. I'll take these gains. Reddit's co-founder believes we are in the crypto spring. Boy, it's been good. That's for sure. So it's important to understand that we have to stay grounded. We have to know that in a second, one Bitcoin move can change everything really quick. But for right now, this halving, a lot of the altcoins were decimated and Bitcoin dominance is falling. And we're getting amazing moves to the upside out of these small microcap altcoins. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.